Hi there! Today I'm going to teach you how to put background paper into your project. We're going to start over in our resource palette, selecting the icon on the far right to open up your background paper options. Click Browse to view all of the categories of background paper that you've downloaded. Here you can access cardstock in all of Stampin' Up's colors, designer series paper, and any designer's kits that you have purchased. As you click through these options, you'll be able to see which paper each of these includes by the Preview section on the right. Once you make your selection, which is highlighted in blue, click Open. Here you can see all of the paper within that category. You can apply any of these papers to your background by double-clicking or by dragging and dropping. If you would like to add paper to your page but you don't necessarily want it as your background, check the box by Add as Page Layer. Once the box is selected, any paper that you choose will be added to your page as a layer, almost as if you're gluing another piece of paper on top of your background piece. You can add these papers the same way, either by dragging and dropping or double-clicking. You can resize this paper by double-clicking on it and adjusting it here. Or you can use the top, side, or corner gray highlight buttons. You can rotate the paper by hovering your mouse over a corner until you see the rounded arrow. Hold your mouse down and rotate the page. NDS recognizes papers added as a page layer as a photo, so when you're selected on a paper, the options to edit it will open in the Design Center under Photos on the right. You can make any adjustments here, including turning the opacity up or down, say if you want the paper to have a watermarked look. You can add a matte to your paper, a drop shadow, you can crop it, nudge it one way or the other. You can zoom in or out if you want the pattern on the paper to be a little bit different. You can also round the edges of your paper by right-clicking, selecting Round Corners, and choose in the box which corners you would like to be rounded. Select OK, and it rounded our corners for us. You can also rip the edges for a fun torn paper look by right-clicking, select Rip Photo Edges, and choose which edges you would like to be ripped. You can also choose how large or small you would like the ripped effect to be. It's amazing what you can do with your selection of paper alone. I hope that you have fun playing around with all of your different options.